Yo, yeah. It's your guy Benv FX here. It's your guy Benv FX. You understand? So I'm still on the live today, this evening again. You understand? Struggling traders live with Benv FX. You understand? The king of bullish engulfing candle, the king of 15-minute price action traders. You understand? So let's see how this live stream is going to be. You understand? I'm waiting for you guys. I'm waiting for you guys to join. You understand? I'll be waiting for you guys to join. You understand? So join. And if you not join when when we are live, you can also like watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you get what we are going to discuss. You understand? So that you grab what we are going to discuss on the live video today, so that you will not miss anything. You get right? So that you will not miss anything. So I'll be waiting for my aggressively active members so that we'll start discussion immediately. Because there's no time. This is weekend. You understand? We need to put some things in order before then get ourselves ready for the next week. You get then we'll get ourselves ready for this week. For the next week that we want to enter tomorrow. You understand? Then do top down analysis, do everything. I'm going to do a top down analysis. There's no chance to wait, no time to wait. You understand? So let's see how it will go. So I'll be waiting for my aggressively active members. You understand? And even if you are watching the live, when the live is end already, when the stream is end already, you can still drop your number, drop your questions. You understand? You can still drop your questions. There is no any comment under my video that I ignore. You understand? I not ignore any comment. If you like, check under all my videos. You understand? I respond to every comment. There is no comment that I ignore. No. I'm not the type of creator that ignore comment section. You understand? That ignore his follower, ignore his subscribers, ignore his viewers. No. I'm not that type of trader. So if you are just joining us, just drop your question. Let me know where you are watching from. Then we'll move ahead. Let me know where you are watching from. Then we'll move ahead. There's no time. Understand? There's no time. Let me know where you are watching from, then we'll move ahead. Seriously. I have short time, you understand, before I'll share my screen, do a top-down analysis for beginner traders, you understand, for struggling traders, you get, for struggling traders. And the reason why I always come on this live stream is to like encourage struggling traders to keep pushing, because if you give up today, you are going to regret it while you give up. You understand? So there is no need of giving up, regardless of what you are passing through, regardless of what you are facing. There is no need of giving up, because even if you give up today, tomorrow you are going to regret why you give up. So why will you give up? Only thing you need to know, only thing you need to do is stick around where there is positive impact. You understand? Where they will be telling you the bitter truth, the truth in forex trading, where they will be teaching you how to manage your risk so that you will not do unnecessary mistake on the chart, how to manage your risk, how to manage your trade, how to manage your emotion when you are in trade. And that's everything I do here. You understand? That's everything I do here. So if you stumble on this channel for the first time, stick to the channel, watch one or two of our live stream or normal video. You are going to be inspired. You understand? We are not I'm not just here to like do it. Like everything I'm doing here is what I experienced by myself, not anybody that teach me. You understand? It's what I experienced by myself, and I've reached the stage of giving it out to the community. That's the reason why I opened this channel, to give it out. You understand? Free of charge for now. So you have to like grab the opportunity. You get why you have to like grab the opportunity so that we roll. You understand? So that we roll together. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Then share it to anybody you know that is struggling in forex trading. If it is your child, if it's your brother, your sister, your cousin, your anybody, you understand. You can even share the live stream to your this thing WhatsApp status to encourage somebody. You understand? Because there are lot of forex traders who are struggling in the game, because out of 100% of traders who join forex trading, is only 1% that make it to the profitable phase, of which is not supposed to be like that, because this is a game that will change your life forever and ever. Because this is the game that is going to change your life forever and ever, so you don't need to give up on it. You understand? You don't need to give up on it. So let me know where you are watching from, real quick, so that we'll go ahead. Let me know where you're watching from. 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 Then we'll go ahead. So I'm going to share my screen real quick. Really, really quick. I'm going to share my screen. I'm going to share my screen real quick so that you understand. No time to wait. No time to wait. There's no time. No time to wait. No time to take time, man. You understand? No time to take time. So this is what I'm going to do here. You understand? I'm going to share my screen real quick so that I'll I'll do what bring me here. You understand? Because even if you not like start from the beginning, you are going to like benefit from inside because the top down analysis I'm going to do will teach you a lot. You understand? Let me share my screen real quick for you. Let me share my screen real quick for you. Mhm. I'm not going to stay long on the chat, but let me see how it's going to be. Let me see how it's going to be. First of all, let me see how it's going to be. Yep. Let me see how it's going to be first. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. Struggling trader live stream with Benv. You understand? Aggressively active. Aggressively active. I promise you guys, I'll be active for you guys no matter what. You understand? I'll never back down. You understand? I'm here to encourage struggling traders and advanced traders and even the pro traders. Let's rub mind together. You understand? Let's rub mind together. You understand? I'm here for you guys always, 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 regardless, always, regardless. You understand? So let me know where you're watching from or anything at all. Just drop a comment section. If you have a question, you just go ahead straight and ask your question. You understand? If you have a question, go ahead straight and ask your question so that we'll fire on. You understand? What I'm about to do now is to share my screen. You understand? Share my screen and go straight to top down analysis because that's what bring me here. Because a lot of struggling traders need this particular thing. They need to like know how to do their top down analysis, just that, and they still need to have the right mindset. You get? They still need to have the right mindset to keep them going in the market. You understand? They need to have the right mindset that will keep them going in the market. Regardless, nothing is going to stop me. You understand? I'm going to impact in a lot of people. You understand? I'm going to impact in a lot of people's life. That's just it. That's just regardless, I'm going to impact no matter what. Any beginner trader who stumble on my video, any of my video must get motivated to keep going in the market. You understand? Any beginner trader or an advanced trader who stumble on my channel will have the reason to keep pushing regardless. You understand? No matter what, no matter what, no matter what. So I'm going to share my screen real quick so that I'll do a top-down analysis. I'll do this top-down analysis today, then do I'll still do a top-down analysis tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. If there is light, I'm going to do a marathon. You understand? Start live stream from morning till night straight. You understand? But let's see how it's going to be. If there is light, then we are going to do that. But if there is no light, there is no way I'm going to do that. But I just pray let them so that they will give us light. You understand? You know, it's light that is our problem here. Until I install NEPA. Collins, you are welcome. You are welcome. I see you. I see you. Good evening. Please analyze BTC real quick. I'm in a cell. You are in a cell. You are in a cell. Okay, so no wahala. I'm going to do that now. I'm going to do that now. I'm trying to share my screen. I'm trying to share my screen. I'm going to share my screen now. Share screen. You. Short life is a tough road. Omo, it's a tough road oh, but surely surely we are going to be there, you understand? And I want to carry everybody along. Is a strong and lonely road, but we are going to be there. That's just the promise I give everybody. um It's a lonely road, it's a strong road, but we are going to be there. You understand? I want everybody that will stumble on my channel to get inspired and get reason to keep pushing, you understand, regardless. I've never had a mentor in my life, but I reached this particular stage where I got recognized by two top firm, you understand, two top company. One is prop firm and second one is broker, you understand. I got recognized, not that I've ever had a physical mentor or an online mentor. I've never paid anybody to teach me, but I keep going regardless. So since I can do it, any other person here can do it. Anybody who stumble on my channel can do it. Once you have the right mindset, you understand, you can do it. Regardless, you can do it. So this is what I'm going to do. Colin said that we should analyze BTC USD that is on the sale. So I'm going to share my, I've shared my screen already. I don't know if you guys have seen my screen. Last week was a lot of manipulation. Yes, that lot of manipulations that happened last week is because we're not listening to what the market is saying. You understand? The market give us a signal, but we are the one that not listening to it. That one is sure. We are the one that not listening to it. There's a support level the market is tracing to tap on a weekly time frame. And instead of us to listen to what the market is saying, we are just following our own bias, you understand? So last week is tough, but I managed to end the week in profit. Anybody who end this particular week in profit means that person is a real trader. You understand? That person is a real trader. Serious, gold was crazy. Gold is always been crazy for long. Gold always been crazy for long. You understand? Always been crazy. Very volatile pair. Understand? Very, very volatile. Gold is very, very volatile. That one just dey. That one dey regardless. That one dey. There's you cannot even touch that. You understand? So let's go to BTC USD. You say you are on a sale. Let me see. We are going to do a top-down analysis, either if the sale will work out or not. But your own analysis, don't because of my own and okay. All right. Means you get a confirmation before you are trying to sell. You get a confirmation before you are trying to sell. This is my own prediction before, thinking the market will break above this particular resistance level, this minor resistance level on the 4 hour time frame, then it will go to the next resistance level, this major resistance level, before it will break to the downside. But now like this, the consolidation is much, and you know this is weekend, you understand? This is weekend. This is my last prediction, you understand? The market spiked down, refused to like touch the support level properly before it went up. You understand? As you see this spike, let me go to 15-minute time frame so that you see it very clear. If you can see my screen very clear, let me see a reaction from you. If you can see my screen very, very clear, let me see a reaction from you. If you can see my screen very clear, let me see a reaction. Let me see a reaction. If you can see my screen very clear, let me see a reaction. If the screen is very clear and you can see it very well and you can hear my voice, let me see a reaction. We see, bro. All right. That's very great. So this is my expectation on gold. Last which day is it? Day before yesterday evening. You understand? I said the gold will tap on this particular resistance level, come down to this support level. You understand? But the major support level that gold BTC USD supposed tap on, he refused to come and tap on it. This is the support level he respect before he move to the upside. But nevertheless, we are going to like analyze it again and see what will happen. You understand? This is the minor support level that he tapped on before he went to the upside, before the consolidation starts. Because I'll call this one a consolidation, because if you go to the 4 hour time frame, you see that all this thing is just a consolidation. You understand? That consolidation, now this is how you are going to do it. This is exactly what I will suggest for you to do on that particular consolidation. You understand? The market refused to pick the buy order, you understand, before it started moving to the upside. Remain small for it to pick this buy order here before it started moving to the upside. But nevertheless, let me still go to the higher time frame and do the top down analysis. Let's know where the market is facing. You understand? Let's know where the market is facing. I don't know if you are a swing trader or a scalper, you understand? But the analysis I'm going to do, I'll tell you what a swing trader is supposed to do, and I'll tell you what a scalper is supposed to do. You understand? So you go to your daily time frame. You understand? After you go to your daily time frame, you check how the last day candlestick close and where it closed from. That is the number one thing you need to check. You understand? And if you look closely, here, this is a support level. This is the support level where the market is reacting from. The market react from this particular support level. If first of all tap on the support level, go up. You understand? You tap on the support level like this, e come down, tap on the support level, go up, come down again, tap on it, then give a bullish engulfing candle on a daily time frame, go up to this resistance level, to this particular resistance level, before we are seeing a push to the downside. So the market still come to this particular support level and we are seeing a bullish candlestick, not engulf, a bullish candlestick. So what this bullish candlestick mean now is that the market is still retracing to the upside a bit before we will see a break to the downside. So now that we have seen a direction where the market is heading to on the daily time frame, is either the market go up like this, tap on this particular fair value gap. This is a fair value gap here, don't forget. Is either the market tap on this particular fair value gap before it breaks to the downside, or it's move from here like this to the downside. But I'm going to the 4-hour time frame. Let me mark something I'm seeing on the 4-hour time frame for you. You understand? So this is it here. This is exactly what I'm seeing on the 4-hour time frame. I'm going to like delay some of the drawing, or I should leave it. Let me just leave it. Then this is 4-hour time frame. And this is 4-hour time frame. Understand? As you can see, this is 4-hour time frame, and this is the fair value gap I'm targeting. You understand? This is the fair value gap I'm targeting. So as the market is consolidating like this is what you do. This is what you do. You mark out the consolidation. You mark out where the market is consolidating from. You mark it out like this. Then you wait for a breakout. You understand? You wait for a breakout. Either the market will break to the upside from this particular consolidation like this. You wait either the market will break to the downside or to the upside. You understand? Maybe the market will break to the downside, make a double bottom, you understand, before we see a spike to this particular a fair value gap, before we see a break to the downside, or it will just break above this particular consolidation and move up straight. You understand? That's what it's going to do. It might break above this particular consolidation and move up straight. Do you know why? I'm seeing that there inside this particular consolidation, there is a bullish engulfing candle. Yeah, I'm trading from the last 4-hour order block. Okay. Okay, that's very great. That's very great. So this is it here. This is what I see. Me, I look at the chart and I predict the market. I have not used indicator, I don't use anything, but I just look at the chart and predict the market. I'm a pure price action guy. Take my trade from master bullish engulfing candle from the 15-minute time frame. If you check my description, you see my profession there. You understand? I'm just a pure price action trader, and I master 15-minute engulfing candle to the extent that if I predict the 15-minute candle, there's no way the market will disrespect it, and it will work 80%. I have 80% win rate on that particular strategy. You understand? I master 15-minute engulfing candle to the extent that I can predict the market to any direction. You understand? So that's what I mainly based on, because I'm a day trader and a scalper. So I use 15-minute time frame to take my trade. Even if I mark a support and a resistance level for the 4-hour time frame, I'll still switch to the lower time frame, which is 15-minute time frame, to mark a support and a resistance level from the 15-minute time frame, then take action, you understand, from the 15-minute time frame also, you understand. And that is always work for me, and that is how I can be able to come out of my drawdown last this particular week that is ending today. You get, that's how I can be able to come out of drawdown this particular week that will start that is ending today. So this is what I'm expecting. If you look closely inside this particular box here, if you look closely, there is a 4-hour bullish engulfing candle, and this is the 4-hour bullish engulfing candle here. This is a 4-hour bullish engulfing candle before this particular consolidation is happening. You might see a fake breakout of this particular consolidation like this, you understand, but where the market is targeting is very, very different, you understand. This is the fair value gap the market is targeting, BTC USD is targeting before it will break to the downside. Just hold that in your mind. So as the market is consolidating here, you might see something like maybe the market will consolidate, spike to the downside, clear everybody that will buy from this particular area, put their stop loss below this particular support level. It will clear them out. Then maybe come down a bit before you see a push to the upside. Then when it tap on this particular fair value gap, before you see a break to the downside. You understand? This is what I'm expecting on BTC USD. You understand? This is what I'm expecting on BTC USD. Had it been there is any bullish, see, as you say you are on a sell, you understand? As you say you are on a sell on BTC USD, had it been there is any bullish engulfing, any bearish engulfing candle at this particular area, then I'll say your sell is accurate. But I'm not saying it's not accurate, but if it is me, you understand, this is exactly what I'm going to wait for. You understand? This is exactly, I'll wait for this particular consolidation to break out. It's either give a fake breakout to the downside, you understand, then went all the way to this particular area, tap on this particular fair value gap before we see a break to the downside. You understand? This is what I'll be waiting for if it is me. But I don't know your own confirmation, and everybody have the way they do their own analysis. I don't know what you use to confirm your entry. I don't know what you use to, like, I don't know the type of indicator you use. I don't know the type of price action you use. I don't know the candlestick you take your trade from. You understand? So me personally, let me see the question. Let me see the question. Let me see what you write. Let me see the comment. Let me see the comment. Can you show example of your strategy? Very, very clean and clear. Very, very clean and clear. Let me see. What's your strategy? What strategy do you trade? My strategy might not might not sound sense to you, but it has been making me profit for close to 2 years now. You understand? It might not sound sense to you, but it has been making me profit for close to 2 years now. You understand? Close to 2 years now, because I started mastering that particular strategy January 2024. So anything January 2026, it will be 2 years complete that I've been studying that particular strategy. You understand? January 2026 will be 2 years complete that I'll be studying that particular strategy. And I can boldly show my 3-month history, 1-month history, weekly history, and is in profit. You understand? So any strategy that you are using that you can boldly show your 3-month history, 1-month history, and this thing, and the weekly history, and it's profitable, means that strategy works for you. You understand? What pair do you mostly trade? I trade GBP USD, Euro USD, and gold. Those are the pairs that I trade. You understand? Those are the pairs that I base on. I base on only 3 pairs. You understand? Those are the pair that I base on, profitable pair. Those are the ones that I master. You understand? I study euro. I stick to only Euro USD throughout 2024. I trade only Euro USD throughout 2024 with $20, and I end the year 2024 with $10. You understand? So this year, because of how I see how the analysis is working both on XAUSD and Euro USD and GBP USD. I have to like add GBP USD and XAUSD together, you understand, to be trading there. So I'm trading just three pairs, you understand. I don't complicate things for myself. I don't trade all the pairs in the market. No, I don't trade all the pairs in the market. Let me see. Omo, money be money, no matter if e no dey make sense. Teach us, brother. So no wahala my bro. I'm going to like, I'm not here to hide anything, you understand. So this is it here. And if I show you here, go to any of my video, if it's not the strategy that I'm going to teach you here that I use to take my trade, then you know I'm a liar, you understand. I'm going to like open everything to you. This is it here. And this is it here. Let me go to the chart. Where is it? Okay, I'm going to show you the example on Euro USD or GBP USD or gold, anyone. You understand? It work on every pairs, but I'm going to show you on the ones that I trade. You get what? I'm going to show you on the one that I trade. So this is what I'm expecting on BTC USD. A little fake out of this particular consolidation, tap on this particular fair value gap before it will break to the downside. This is what I'm expecting, you understand, on BTC USD, you understand. So this is it here. Let me put a sell order here, then bring it down like this before I will go and show you guys how my strategy look like. You understand? Something like this is what I'm expecting on BTC USD. But this is not a reason for you to opt out of your trade. No, 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 no. Never, never, never. Don't never do that. So I'm going to GBP USD or Euro USD now to show you guys how my strategy look like. You understand? So this is it here. This is GBP USD. You understand? I'm going to show you what I always use to take my trade. You understand? What I always use to take my trade on GBP USD. First of all, I will mark a major support and a resistance level from the 4-hour time frame. You understand? I'll mark a major support and a resistance level from the 4-hour time frame. Then I'll go to 15-minute time frame again and mark the same support and resistance level on the 15-minute time frame, because I use 15-minute time frame to confirm my entry before I take any particular trade. You understand? So this is it here. Here there's a support level, there's a major support level here, and there's a trend line here. There's a trend line here. Then there's a support level at this particular area. I'm going to show you one after the other of what I always use. I'm going to show you one after the other. So this is it. Let me show you what I always use. Let me show you what I always use now to take my trade. So this is it here. You understand? This is it here. So if I like, the reason why I say I master bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame is, if you check all my documentary on my channel, there is no any trade I will take without seeing a bullish engulfing candle from a support level. You understand? You should check my documentary, because I document all my trade on my channel. There is no any trade I will take without seeing a bullish engulfing candle from a support level. You understand? So this is it here. I will show you a practical example. And you know, behind every strategy, there is a psychology guiding every strategy. You understand? There is a psychology behind every strategy. You have to know that. That is the reason why the strategy your boss is giving, your mentor always give you, if you use that strategy, you take a loss, take a loss, take a loss, is because you have not like re-strategized that particular strategy to your own taste. You understand? To like, you have not mastered that particular strategy yet, and you are not the one that developed that strategy by yourself. You get? So this is it here. There's a minor support level here. You understand? There's the support level here. You understand? And let me mark again. Let me mark another support level. Let me mark another support level. There's a support level here also. There's an inner support level here. I'll mark all this place out, then I'll be showing you what I always use to take my trade. You understand? Even if the trade is on a downtrend or an uptrend, I can spot 1 to 2. You understand? Regardless, I can spot 1 to 2 very, very quick from my strategy. You get? So let me show you now. This is 15 minutes support level. You understand? This is 15 minutes support level. Before I take any trade, I'll make sure the market forms something like a W pattern first. Then give me, when it's forming that W pattern, I'll see a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame. Once I see that bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame, that gives me more courage. You understand? That is when I'll enter the trade for a buy. You understand? And what I'll target is 1 to 2. You understand? I'll first of all target 1 to 2. Then after that 1 to 2, I'll take partial profit. Then I'll wait for the market to retrace to the downside. After the market have moved from the downside to the upside, then I'll move my stop loss to the last support level. That is what I always use. Okay, if you look closely here, I'll give you plenty example of 15 minutes engulfing candle, so that you know that yes, I'm not joking with that particular 15 minutes engulfing candle strategy. I make sure I master it. I learn it the hard way. The reason why I always tell you guys that make the chart your friends. Whenever you make this particular chart your friends, right, you must see something that always happen on the chart. You understand? That you stick to. You get? You must see something that always happen on the chart that you stick to. So before the market move from this particular support level to the upside, what pattern, which type of candlestick is this? Before the market move from this particular support level, to the upside, which type of candlestick is this? As the market form a W pattern, this is it. As the market trying to form a W pattern, which candlestick is this? This is a bullish engulfing candle. See, if I show you all this particular strategy, right, go to my video. I make sure I explain everything on my video. Any video that I do, especially those ones that are, the title is a road to 100K before December. I hold a road to 100K before December. Go to that particular video, see how I dey always take my trade, see where I dey take my trade from. You understand? See where I dey take my trade from. See the time frame that I always take my trade from. See what the market is doing, what the market do before I take my trade. I always mention it inside my trade. You understand? I always mention it inside my trade. You get? So the market will form something like a W pattern before I'll get full courage that yes, the market is about to move up. So this is a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame. You understand? Once I see this particular bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame, the next thing I'll do, the next candlestick that I'll form, I'll enter for a buy immediately. You understand? I'll enter for a buy. And where did I put my stop loss? Below this particular engulfing candle. Because if the market go below the engulfing candle, means the market is still going to break to the downside. You understand? This is it here. I'll first of all target 1 to 2. You understand? If I target 1 to 2 and I see the direction of the market, and if I do not see any consolidation, I'll take partial profit and put the remaining one on break even. You understand? If I target 1 to 2 and I do not see a consolidation from the market, I'll take partial profit and put the remaining one on break even. And when the market go at least 1 to 3, 1 to 4, I'll take another partial profit, then put the remaining one on break even. You understand? Then maybe the market will come down to hit that break even, or it will come retrace to the downside small, then give another bullish engulfing candle. You understand? Give another bullish engulfing candle, then the market will continue its movement to the upside. You understand? This is first bullish engulfing candle from a support level. You understand? This is first 15-minute bullish engulfing candle from a support level. This is another bullish engulfing candle. This strategy might not make sense to you, but it has been making me money. I can boldly, if you doubt it, you can tell me to drop my WhatsApp number for you. You understand? I can boldly show you my last trades, my last post sef. My last post, I show my last 3 months history, last month history, and last week history. My last post. If you are doubting this particular strategy, you know something about forex. Anything you don't know, you understand, you cannot teach what you don't know. As a day like this, I cannot come to the chat and teach you Fibonacci retracement. I cannot come to the chat and bring any indicator out and be teaching you how to use that indicator, because that is not what I study. You understand? I teach only what I study. You understand? And everybody have the way they approach the market. You understand? Everybody have the way of approaching the market. Do you get? So this is only what I master. And if you check my description on YouTube, if you check my description, just go and check my description. If you check my description on YouTube, this is it here. My description on YouTube is 15-minute price action trader, bullish engulfing master, clean setup, no indicator, daily sniper breakdown, and the rest. You understand? That is just it. That is just to me. You understand? 15-minute price action guide, that is just to me. You understand? Bullish engulfing candle, that is what I master. That is what I master by fire, by force. I make sure I master that particular bullish engulfing candle from the 15-minute time frame. So I can break 15-minute time frame down for you. You understand? To the level that to the way I understand it reach. You cannot teach more than what you know, especially in forex trading. There is no expo in forex trading. Do you get? There is no expo in forex trading. So that is exactly what I master, my bro. That's exactly what I master. That is exactly what I master, bro. So this is it here. I'm coming. Okay, this is it here. Another support level here. You understand? This is another example that I want to give you. Another support level here. You see that the market consolidate. The market tap on this particular support level, give this bullish engulfing candle. This is a stop loss hunt. This is what they call stop loss hunt. You understand? And anytime this type of thing form, anytime this type of thing happen, and they always re-enter. You understand? If this type of things happen, and this is what they call stop loss hunt. You understand? Because no any strategy you use that you will not see this type of stop loss hunt. You understand? Because they know a lot of people use this particular bullish engulfing candle to take a trade. So there is a lot of manipulation, but the manipulation on this particular strategy is not as high as the way people complain of manipulation in the market. You understand? As you can see, the market give a clean bullish engulfing candle from this particular support level. This is another example that I'm giving you. The market give a clean engulfing candle from this particular support level, but this candlestick that's supposed to go up and close bullish, spike to the downside to clear people that will not give a breathing space. You understand? Out. Then he went all the way to the upside. You understand? Okay, imagine say you take this particular trade. You understand? Imagine say you take this trade from here like this. You see a bullish engulfing candle like me. You understand? That I always put my stop loss below the bullish engulfing candle. If I see a bullish engulfing candle like this is where I put my stop loss. I'm not going to lie to you guys. So you understand? I'm not going to lie to you guys. If I see a bullish engulfing candle like this particular one, this is where I'll put my stop loss below the bullish engulfing candle. Then I'll got stop out immediately. If I got stop out, I'll be watching the market. You understand? I'll be watching. Let me see what the next candlestick is going to do. Because if the market stop me out, if I see a healthy bullish engulfing candle like this and the market stop me out, means the market is going to the downside, break below this particular support level and go to the downside. But the market stopped me out and the next candlestick close and engulf this particular red candlestick that stopped me out. I'll still re-enter. You understand? Regardless, I'll still re-enter. That is why I take 2 trades per day. You understand? If I take 2 trades per day, if I lost the first trade, I'll wait for another engulfing candle to form. And if I wait for that another engulfing candle to form and I don't stop out again, then that is all for that day. No matter how it is, that is all. Then I'm done for that day. Then that day is not for me. You understand? Okay, imagine say I take this particular trade and I got stop out here. You understand? And the markets go all the way to this particular, and the next candle close and engulf this particular red candle that stopped me out and close and engulf. I'm going to re-enter from this particular support from this particular candlestick again. You understand? This is what I'll do. I'll re-enter, put my stop loss below this particular engulfing candle. You understand? Regardless. Okay, I'll first of all chop stop loss here. The market will stop me out here. Okay, I'll re-enter again, target 1 to 2 again. You understand? I'll re-enter and target 1 to 2 because I see that the market this is just normal stop loss hunt that always happen on the chart. This is normal stop loss hunt that always happen on the chart. So I'll re-enter again, then target 1 to 2. After I target that 1 to 2, if that 1 to 2 hits, I'll take partial profit and put my trade on break even. You understand? Then I'll wait for the market. Sometimes I'll wait for the market to retrace, then tap on this particular minus support level first. You understand? Because I know how it works very, very well. If this particular strategy give you 1 to 2, it must reverse to the downside. You understand? To the inner support level before you see another push to the upside. So I will wait for the market to reverse back down, then give me another engulfing candle. If I want to like enter, I'll enter again. You understand? I'll re-enter again. But I take just 2 trades per day. I take just 2 trades per day. So if you can be able to like stick to this particular engulfing candle, it might not make sense to you, but it makes sense to me. Like it's been generating a lot of money for me. You understand? This particular strategy that you are seeing like this have been generating a lot of money for me. You understand that? I, Benv, can boldly come and show you guys my P&L of last 3 months, my P&L of last 2 months, on my P&L of last week, and it's all in profit. You get? So this strategy have been generating money for me. So I don't know if you have gotten my strategy, the strategy that I always use. If you have gotten what I use to take my trade, let me see a reaction from you, colleagues. Collins, if you have gotten my strategy, let me see a reaction from you. Then I'll go to that top-down analysis that I always use. You understand? Then come up with your own come up with your own pair so that I will do a top-down analysis. I don't know the strategy you are using. I'm not here to convince you to use my own strategy, but if the strategy makes sense to you, you can make use of it because it's work. The sky is wide enough for all of us to like make profit. The market is enough for all of us to make profit. You understand? Not that you have a strategy and you hide it. No, I don't hide my own strategy because I know no matter what, if all of us make money from the market, it makes sense. That's the reason why I opened this particular channel, to be encouraging struggling forex traders. You understand? So if what I've been saying since, Collins, I don't know if network is disturbing you or you are still active, but if you are active, if you get what I've been saying since, let me see a reaction from you. You understand? If you get what I've been saying since, let me see a reaction from you. If you understand my strategy, let me see a reaction from you. You understand? Before we go to top down analysis, if you have understand my strategy, you understand, let me see a reaction from you. I don't use any indicator, I don't use any other thing apart from 15 minutes engulfing candle from a support level. You understand? That is what I always use. And before I continue buying using 15 minutes engulfing candle, 15 minutes engulfing candle, I'll confirm if the market is an uptrend. You understand? If the market is an uptrend, I can enter 15 minutes. I can look for a major support level and spot a 15 minutes engulfing candle and enter my trade, then leave it, let it run even 1 to 5, 1 to 10, 1 to 10. You understand? But if the market is on a downtrend, maybe market is on a downtrend, e come to a support level, then try to retrace to the upside and you see a bullish engulfing candle, all you need to do is enter your buy from that particular support level, but make sure you are very very good in trade management. After risk management, there is what they call trade management as well. You understand? That trade management is what helped me to recover my loss this particular week that is ending today. You understand? Trade management is what makes me to recover all my losses. You understand? If not because of trade management, I for end this particular week like this in loss. You understand? But I know how to manage my risk. I know how to manage my trade when the market is on a downtrend. Because in a short period of time, GBP USD and Euro USD, then BTC USD, all of them is on a downtrend for the short period of time. And if you go to weekly time frame, they are on a major support level. So what we'll see next week, we'll see a little retracement to the upside, maybe to one major fair value gap before we see a spike to the downside. Either the market will break below that particular 15-minute weekly time frame support level, or it will reverse from that particular weekly time frame support level to the upside. But everything we are going to see it from Monday to Tuesday, we will know the right decision to take. If the market will continue its direction to the downside, or it will move from where it is presently to the upside, we will see what will happen on the market from Monday and Tuesday. We will see what will happen on the chart. You understand? But if you are a scalper and a day trader, there is no way you are not going to be making money from the market regardless. There's no way you are not going to be making money from the market regardless. So if there's any question, let me know on the comment section real quick. If there's any question, let me know on the comment section real quick before I continue. If there is any question, let me know on the comment section real quick before I continue. I've never seen my people, my aggressively active members, I've never seen them. Why? Why I never still see them? So see the strategy from here as well. See the strategy from here. See the bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame. Once you see this particular bullish engulfing candle from the 15-minute time frame, all you need to do is give it a little breathing space. You understand? Give it a little breathing space and you are good to go. You understand? Once you enter, give it a little breathing space. Then when it reach 1 to 2, take your partial profit, then leave the market to retrace back down to the support level. Then after it move from that support level, you can break even. Then the market will just continue its way to the upside. That one is when the market is an uptrend. You understand? So this is what I always use. No indicator, no Fibonacci, nothing. I don't use any price. I don't use any other thing apart from 15-minute price action strategy. No. I don't use any other strategy. Understand? I make sure I understand 15-minute price action very well. Very well. I make sure I understand that particular thing. And it's been making me profit. You understand? It's been making me profit. So regardless, we keep going. If not because I'm making profit from the market, I cannot be boldly come on live stream here and be giving you guys what I don't know. Never, never, never. It cannot be possible now. There is no way you can teach what you don't know. Never, never, never. Because there are smart people out there who will see a fake trader and know that yes, this is a fake trader automatically. You understand? People are smart. No matter how smart you think you are. Me like this, if I see a fake trader, I know that yes, this guy is a fake trader. You understand? So if other smart traders see me and if I'm a fake trader, the person will know that yes, this guy is a fake trader. This guy is a fake trader. You understand? So I'm not here to deceive anybody. I'm here to share my life story with you, how I struggle in the market, how everything go for me before I manage to become profitable. You understand? Since I can be able to boldly show my last 3 month history, last month history, and last week history, I'm a profitable trader. You understand? And I know what I'm doing. I'm disciplined enough to like make a profit on the from the market once during London section, and I make profit. That's all for that day. And if I've not made profit during London section, I'm going to like wait for my strategy to play out during New York section. And once I make profits from the market, that's all for that day. I've mastered myself enough to like know when to like take a trade, you understand, to know when to stay out of the market. I don't overtrade, I don't take unnecessary trade. I wait for my strategy to play out before I take a trade. So I've reached that level, and that is what kept me profitable up to this level. So that is the reason why I keep going regardless. So if there is any question, don't hesitate to drop it for me on the comment section. I did a live stream in the morning. I come this evening again to do a live stream. It's not easy. So you guys need to be appreciating me. You understand? It's not easy. Oh. It's not easy. To be sincere, it's not easy. So please, you like the video so that YouTube recommend it to more people. You understand? Please like the video so that YouTube recommend it to more people. Then if you have not subscribed, please turn on subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that whenever I come on live stream to share or to do a top down analysis, you'll be part of them that will get the notification. You understand? Subscribe, 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 subscribe. Let's go together as one family. You guys are my family. I love you guys. So please like the video, like the stream so that YouTube will recommend it to more traders so that the community will be big. You understand? The more you tap on the like button, the more it pump up here for me to see. You understand? I'll be seeing your like. If you like it, I'll be seeing it here. You understand? So please like the video for me so that YouTube will recommend it to more people. Like the video for me so that YouTube will recommend it to more people. Real quick, real quick, real quick, please. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Help the channel grow because the channel is a channel that is going to like Dato is here. Dato is here. Dato is here, man. Dato is here. Good evening, fam. Hope you are having a wonderful weekend. I'm having a wonderful weekend. You know me, I don't party. You understand? Me, I don't party. Since I'm not in South Africa yet, I don't party. And even I'm in South Africa, then I'll know I'll say, let's go to party together, this and that. But since I'm not in South Africa, I'm not partying. I will like be going slow and steady until I can come to South Africa. Then we'll party together. You understand? You get the vibe now. We'll party together. See, your like is pumping up. You understand? I can see your like pumping up, but it has stopped. Your like, it don't start the pump up. It don't start the pop up. It don't start the pop up. Your like is popping up. I like that. Please, I like that. I like that. I like that. Please keep the fire burning, man. Keep the fire burning. See the energy that I use to come to this particular live stream. It's not easy. Oh. It's not easy. And nobody say I'll just come to the live stream and be like doing unnecessary things. So slow and steady gain. Yes, sir. That's it. 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 That's the game. That's the game. That's the game. Slow and steady gain. You understand? Slow and steady gain, and you are good to go. Don't pursue billions Don't pursue billions from the market. No, slow and steady game. That's it. You understand? Sometimes you guys will notice my voice will just go. You understand? I don't try enough. I don't try a lot. You guys need to be appreciating me. You can even send me, you can send me a super thanks sef. You with just 400 naira, you can send me a super thanks. You understand? Send me a super text make I know say yes I dey give value. All dis value I'm giving for free. You can press dat dollar button and send me a super thanks. With 400 naira you can send me a super thanks now. Na how for you? Dat 400 naira is not going to change anything, but at least it will means a lot for me, man. It will means a lot for me. It will means a lot for me. I will know that yes, these people love me. If you press that dollar sign there, you can send me a super thanks. With just 400 naira, you can send me a super thanks. And I will like I will save your name forever and ever. You understand? If I see that super thanks, I've never get any super thanks. This thing is a very serious issue. See, I've never, no be say I'm in lack of money o, but I've never get any super thanks from any one of you. Super thanks, you understand? Super thanks with 400 naira you can send super thanks. I've never get I've never get it from any one of you. Why is it like that? Why is it like that? Why is it like that? If I show you my subscription, my weekly subscription to do live stream with you guys will shout to. If I show you my weekly subscription to come on live video for you guys will be like surprised. YouTube have never start paying me. YouTube have never start paying me. YouTube have never have not. Oh, which type of language am I using? YouTube have not start pay me yet. You understand? YouTube have not start paying me yet. So you guys can be able to send me a super thanks. You understand? With 400 naira, you can send me a super thanks. 400 naira, 400 naira, not that. 400 naira, you can send me a super thanks. Why are you guys stingy? Why you dey laugh me? Why are you guys stingy? Make I see a super thanks from somebody, from one of my fans today. Somebody should break that record. 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 Super thanks. Send super thanks for me. Send super thanks for me. Super thanks. Super thanks. Somebody should break that record. You understand? Somebody should break that record. Somebody should break that record. With 350 naira sef, you can send that super thanks. With as low as 350 naira, you can send that super thanks. So I want somebody to break that record today. I want somebody to break that record today. Let me see a super thanks from somebody today. Send a sticker, send a super thanks. Send a super thanks. Let me see. I don't to try now. At least for the past how many weeks now, every day and night I'll be coming here to like encourage traders or struggling traders. So, and not that I've been saying you should pay all this and that. The knowledge, dey for Ghanaians. E dey. You are a liar. Collins, e dey. You can see that there. You can see that. E dey. E dey. E dey. E dey. E dey for Ghanaians. E dey for Ghanaians. The knowledge I'm giving, I'm using all my energy to give this knowledge. You understand? Your mentors cannot use all his energy to give this energy. Okay, see what I'm taking, you understand? It's a full pack. Oh, I'll finish it, you understand? For me to get energy so that I'll be like coming on the live stream to be giving you guys value every day. Do you think it's easy? You think it's easy, right? Mona send me super thanks, abeg. Super thanks, super thanks. Mona send me super thanks. I'm not here to say pay me mentorship money so that I'll be no, not that, not that, not that. But regardless, I'll be waiting for your question. If there's anything you want me to talk about, let's see. I get money, oh, I get money, oh. Nothing say I be nothing say I be almajiri, oh. I get money, oh. I get money. I get money. I no be almajiri. I need to calm down. I need to lower my voice to tell you that. I need to lower my voice to tell you that. I get money oh, I no be almajiri oh. I'm not here for begging oh. You understand? I'm not here for begging. Just that I dey always try and I never see one super thanks from anybody, from any of my fans. Na why e dey pain me. You understand? You understand? I get money oh, I get money oh. No be say I too get, no be say I too get, but I get feed the money. I get money wey I go dey use dey subscribe, dey come live for you guys. You understand? Steady money for subscription no go ever scarce me. You guys know my shop now. It's two shop together, both provision and medicine store. You understand? Both provision and medicine store. But I just want somebody to break that record. You understand? And you see that membership where YouTube put, e get one video wey I suppose post tomorrow. One of my main secret video wey I suppose post tomorrow. I'm not going to post that video. You understand? I'm not going to post that video because you people, I don dey see something. Una no dey value free knowledge. You guys no dey value free knowledge. E get one video wey I take all my time, you understand? I make sure say I take all my time, analyze, break down, show you guys how I use 15 minute engulfing candle very 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 well. I break everything down. Dat particular video suppose to be a private video for my membership on YouTube. You understand? Dat particular video, e be like say I'm going to keep it till I have a member on YouTube here. Then I'll be posting that video for them. You understand? Because what I'm seeing, no super thanks, nothing. Is as if you guys are even taking this particular live stream for granted. I don't know why. So let's forget about that. Yeah, let's forget about that. So ask me any question so that I will answer you. Ask me any question, ask me any question, ask me any question. I'm ready. 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 So the earlier you join that particular membership, the better for you. You understand? The earlier you join that particular membership, the better for you. That's just the plain truth. So you guys, I'm not seeing like, I'm not seeing comments. Why? I'm not seeing like, I'm not seeing okay, is it because I'm talking about money? Oh. Because I dey talk about money, you guys run, abi. You guys run because I dey talk about money. Okay, I no dey talk about money again. I'm not saying anything about money again. No. I'm not saying anything about money again. So let me see a like from you guys. Like the video, like the video, like the video so that YouTube will recommend it to more people. If you cannot send a super thanks, you can like the video now. So who will promise me 1,000 like? Who will promise me 1,000 like? Let me be seeing it popping up here. Who will promise me 1,000 like? 1,000 like, 1,000 like from you guys. 1,000 like. Then we'll go to top down analysis. 1,000 like. 1,000 like. 1,000 like. Let me be seeing the like pumping up. Let me be seeing the like pumping up. Then I'll see. I'll know that yes, you guys are active. So 1,000 like. I'll spend 1 hour on the live stream already. So I don't really care. This particular video is going to be here. If you like, you get knowledge from inside. If you like, don't get knowledge from inside. You understand? If you like, listen. If you like, don't listen. This video will be here forever and ever. You understand? I'm just here for you guys. Forget say I dey ask of more. I dey ask you guys to send me super thanks. Time go come where people go dey hustle to like people go dey struggle to send me super thanks so that I go dey see their comments well. You understand? So no need to me I no dey rush anything o. I no dey rush anything. I believe in slow and steady, slow and steady. So regardless, I'm going to do a top down analysis. I'm going to do a top down analysis regardless. I'm going to do a top down analysis. So omo, anything that will make the market that Monday candlestick close bearish. Oh boy, oh boy. Monday candlestick. If Monday candlestick close bearish, then Otilo, e don finish with that. Means the market will be a downtrend straight. You understand? Then the market will be a downtrend straight. So this is a major support level on the weekly time frame. If you don't know how to mark out a major support level, this is the right time for you to learn it. See, you guys, make una no think say as una no plenty today, I no go get engagement tomorrow. I go get engagement because the kind of knowledge I dey give here, no any other trader dey give that knowledge. You understand? No any other trader can give the kind of knowledge I'm giving on this channel. You understand? And regardless, I'll keep showing up. People dey give up, but me, I no dey give up. Na everyday things. Forget as I no get engagement today, in times to come I'll get engagement. E get when I enter, see, when I open this particular channel to be giving knowledge, do you know that there is a time I have 0 subscribers? Do you know there is a time my subscriber went from 0 subscriber to 10 subscriber, from 10 subscriber to 20 subscriber? I have every record, one after the other on my phone. Understand? Till we hit 1,000 subscriber. Now, how many subscriber are we? We are how many now? We are 1,250 something subscriber now. You understand? So me, the value I give is enough for anybody who want to get the value to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that anytime I post a video, because I am real, you understand? Because I am real, I'm not here to fake it for anybody. No, that is the reason. So now, if I continue like this, time will come that a lot of people will be like, my stream sef will even choke because I'll be giving the value for free. Do you understand? Forget say as a member or anything. With time sef I will remove that membership something from my channel. I'm not there for that membership something. With time I will remove that membership and super thanks and the rest. I'm going to remove it. Regardless, I'm going to remove it. Make you guys no come think say because without membership this and that. No, 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 no. I'm here to give value, not because of your money. You understand? I'm here to give value, not because of your money, not because of anybody's money. I'm here to give value. So listen very carefully to this analysis I want to do now like this. You understand? Listen very, very carefully. So this is how you mark your major support and resistance level out on the higher time frame. You understand? This is how you mark out your major support level out on the higher time frame. So the market is on this particular support level. Anything that will make Monday trade close bearish. Who's that? Just a minute, I'm coming, guys. Why? Which error is this? Which error is this? Which error is this? Which error is this? Let me see a comment from you guys. Let me see a comment from you guys. Which error is this now? Which error is this? Which error is this? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Load for me real quick. Let me see a comment from you guys. Let me see a comment from you guys. See that error load. Let me see what G Dato writes. Man, G Dato. G Dato. God, this girl. Let me see, let me see, let me see. Benv, what you are doing here is more than teaching forex. You are empowering people. You are giving experience and knowledge that other paid course don't even have, es- don't even have, especially the mindset stuff. So, and this is what people don't know. This is exactly what they don't know. You understand? This is exactly what they don't know. You understand that? It's only see, I say you have sense more than 90% of men. You understand? You are a lady, oh, but you have sense more than 90% of men that I know. You are a lady, quite all right, but you have sense more than 90%, almost 95% of men. You understand? Almost 95% of men, you have sense more than them. I swear to God. Almost 95% of men, I have respect for that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. I really, really appreciate. I really, really appreciate. I really, really appreciate. Appreciating me like this self is even okay for me, not the money. You understand? Appreciating me like this is really, really okay for me, not the money. You understand? Is really, really okay for me, not the money. You understand? Time will come, sef. You guys, I'll be. A lot of people don't know what exactly I'm doing. You understand? A lot of people don't know what exactly I'm doing. Time will come, you guys that know what exactly I'm doing, I will select you guys, open a separate this thing, either WhatsApp or maybe YouTube membership for you guys for free. Then I'll be teaching you guys, you understand? Instead of coming here wasting my time and the rest, you understand? Because what exactly am I looking for? For their mind, what exactly am I looking for? um Must I say everything? Must I say everything? Must I show you my YouTube every? No be compulsory say I show you my YouTube analytics and the rest. I have I have more than, let me check. I have more than 1.2, almost 1.3 million impression on my YouTube analytics. Almost 1.2 million impression on my YouTube analytics. You people think I don't know. I don't. Oh boy, forget to. If I know what I'm doing. I can decide not to come on live stream to like give you guys the right mindset. You understand? But people like this gear now that know what exactly I'm doing keep me coming. You understand? You understand? Not like all these other useless people that don't know what exactly I'm here. Because that is the, and this is, Gidato, do you know why? This is the reason why out of 100%, out of 100% is only 1% that make it to the profitability stage. Because do you know why? A lot of people are very, very useless. They cannot think by themselves. They wait for people to think for them. You understand? A lot of people don't have sense. They don't think by themselves. They are waiting for people to think for them. You understand? Person like you now, you are a female and you have this type of mind. um you have this type of mindset. Tell me 98% of men that you are seeing don't have this type of mindset that you have. They cannot even recognize an authentic teacher. You understand? That is why they always fall victims to all these quack mentors online. You understand? 98% of men, they don't know how to identify an authentic teacher. You understand? That is why they fall victim to quack mentors online. You get? So your wisdom is too much, and it has not been long that you start forex trading. I don't know why. Maybe it's because of how wise you are. That is the reason why you know that forex trading is something that is going to change your life. Because tell me, female traders are not much, and you are a female trader that with a lot of sense. Female traders are not much, but you are a female trader with a lot of sense. I don't know other side hustle that you do, but I would like to know. That I would like to know other side hustle that you do. You understand? Maybe the one I will introduce you to will like maybe stress you, chop your money before you like make it from inside, aside from forex. But I don't know. If you are interested, just let me know on WhatsApp. You understand? If you are because the kind of mindset you have a mindset that 98% of men do not have. You understand? You have a mindset that 98% of men do not have. Many men are very, very useless that they cannot even identify an authentic teacher and a fact teacher. You understand? What they are pursuing is somebody that is showing them flashy, flashy cars online, show them flashy, flashy things online. Those are the people they run after. You understand? So I don't know. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp. Let me share that idea with you. If you can be able to like pursue that particular side hustle, it will be very, very good because you have a growing mindset. You understand? You have a growing mindset. And I'll be telling you what to do step by step. You understand? Aside from trading, you understand that will pay you. That will pay you. You understand? So let me know, Jidatu. Let me know on my WhatsApp. If you are interested, just let me know. It like if you can be able to like withstand the pressure, the stress and the rest, you are going to like, but I know you can withstand it. I know you can withstand the pressure because the kind of mindset you have, 98% of men don't have this type of your mindset. You understand? Many men are very, very useless. They cannot think by themselves. And how useless they are, and they cannot even know when somebody is teaching the right thing and when somebody is teaching the wrong thing. You understand? I'm not here for a crowd. I'm not here for crowd. You understand? But I'm here for people like you who will see value in what I'm doing, who will see how authentic I am, who will see how impact I want to give to the society, to the community, to the trading community. But a lot of traders don't take this particular advantage for granted. That's the reason why I'm going to monetize it because when they will realize, maybe by then time have gone far. You understand? Maybe by then time have gone far. If I see, no be everything I dey show on social media. No, 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 no be everything I dey show on social media. I'm not here to extort money from anybody. No. You understand? But if you can appreciate what I'm saying, what I'm doing, my time, my energy, I'm okay. You understand? My time and my energy, I'm okay. You understand? So reach out to me on WhatsApp. Even if I will share it. I'll tell you the secret. Then if you can follow it up, you follow it up. It will be very nice. So let me go to the analysis I'm doing before. Let me go to the top down analysis I'm doing on GBUSD so that whoever will get value from inside will get value from inside. That's it. Let me see. It's okay. Oh, don't get emotional. You are already blessed. I will text you on WhatsApp on Monday. No, I'm not getting emotion, but the level of their thinking is very, very, their level IQ, you understand? The level of their thinking is very, very like low. That's what is paining me. Mhm. The level of their thinking is very, very low. That's why it's paining me. How can a girl, how can a lady have this kind of mindset, have this kind of sense, and there are grown-up adult men out there want to be a slave forever? Why? Why? Tell me why. Tell me why, dear. Tell me why. Tell me why. You'll be doing something they don't know. That thing that you have been doing that has been profitable for you, you'll be doing it and they will be doubting. You understand? They will see it as if what you are doing is not making any sense. You understand? But it's okay, Sha. Just as you say, make I just listen to you because you have sense. Make I just listen to you. Then make I just listen. This your comments. I'm going to pin this your comments. I'm going to pin this your comments. Yeah, I'm going to pin this your comments. So let me share the screen. all this thing I'm teaching today is not for today o. People, traders will come on this particular channel, and by then they will be looking for my number. They will be looking for a way, a cheaper way, you understand, to get it again, but it won't be easy for them that time. That is just the bitter truth. It won't be easy for them, man. It won't be easy, man. It won't be easy. By then the time have gone, you understand. You know say people like to learn the hard way before they will, before their mind will come down. So this is what I'm saying on the chart, GBP/USD. So anything that will make the market close like this, close below this particular support level, anything that will make the market close below this particular support level on Monday, then this is where we are going to see the market. Not that it will reverse to the upside, or not that it will not give a little retracement to the upside, but the market will go to the downside. You understand? So if the uptrend will continue, then we'll see a bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame on Monday. You understand? Except that we are going to like see a massive break to the downside on GBP/USD, Euro/USD, and gold. You understand? It's as if US dollar is very strong now. You understand? US dollar is very strong now. I don't know. I don't follow news. All I know is what the chart tell me. You understand? I don't follow news. All I know is what the chart tell me. My technical analysis is okay for me. My technical analysis is okay for me. I know I'm going to like make it like I'm going to like wide my knowledge on this particular industry, but for now I'm pursuing a lot of things. I don't have enough time to like make research. No, with my technical analysis, I know I can be ending my week profitably. So no need of stressing myself too much. So if we see a breakout of this particular support level on Monday, then the market will have a little retracement to the upside before we see a push to the downside. You understand? But if the market if Monday candlestick close and engulf this particular one, let me see. This pin bar sef I no trust am. This pin bar from the support level, I no too trust this pin bar. You understand? I no too trust this pin bar. You understand? This is a hammer on the daily time frame. This is a hammer from the major support level, but I no too trust am. You understand? Until maybe only thing that will convince me to believe that the market will go to the upside, then as I have seen a pin bar here, as I've seen a hammer here, let me take this thing down a bit so that we all see it very clear. As I've seen a hammer here, you know, whenever you see this type of candlestick, means the market is going to like have a little retracement to the upside. You understand? This particular candle and bullish engulfing candle send the market to the upside. You understand? But me personally, I use an engulfing candle. Okay, since I've seen a pin bar, like let me just say a hammer here, let me see. Yeah, I'll go to the 4 hour time frame. You understand? Maybe on this particular 4 hour time frame, before I believe that the market is going to the upside from that particular weekly support level. You know, weekly support level is a very strong support level. That is the reason why I say if we see a break out of that particular weekly support level, we are going to see a massive break to the downside. So if before I believe what the market is doing on the daily time frame, I'll see that the market will like on the 4 hour time frame break above this particular resistance level. You understand? I'll see that the market will break above. As the market is coming up like this, I'll see that it will break above this particular resistance level, come down. You understand? Come down to this particular area, maybe form something like a head and shoulder, then give us a bullish engulfing candle. Maybe by then we'll see a daily time frame that will give us a bullish engulfing candle. You get? If not until then, I do not believe that particular hammer. So if the market come down to this particular area, it will just be something like a head and shoulder. You understand? Then this will be a head, this will be a shoulder, you understand. And then this will be a head, then the market will go up, then this will be a shoulder before we see a push to the upside, you understand, according to what my own technical analysis is telling me, you understand. If not until I see a breakout of this particular resistance level, come down, form its head and shoulder, then I see another bullish engulfing candle on a daily time frame, maybe Monday, Tuesday, we are going to see that. Monday, Tuesday, we are going to see this particular structure. If not until I see a head and shoulder with a bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame, I will not believe that particular hammer that formed from the major support level, from the weekly support level. Where the market is right now is a very dangerous area, you understand. Where the market is like this is a very dangerous area, you understand. This is a weekly time frame support level. This is a weekly time frame support level. Let me delete this particular one. Where the market is right now is a weekly time frame support level. So I will not believe the hammer the market give me, you understand, until I see a bullish engulfing candle on a daily time frame, either on Monday it won't be a bullish engulfing candle, either on Monday it will close bearish, then Tuesday it will come close engulf, then I will know that yes, we are going to the upside, you understand. If not until then, anything that will make the market break below this particular support level that it is right now, anything that will make the market break below this particular support level that it is right now on a daily time frame, like maybe we'll see something like this, means the market is going to the downside, you understand. If you see anything like this on Monday, if you see anything like this, means the market is going to the downside. And this is how you mark your support and the resistance level out on the like higher time frame, you understand. This is how you mark your support and the resistance level out on the higher time frame. This is a support level, and this is a support level. If you look closely, this is a strong support level because the support level from back here, see how the market, see where the support level is coming from, you understand. See where the support level is coming from. This is a strong support level, you understand. So if anything happen and the market break below this particular support level, if anything happened and the market break below this particular support level to the downside, this is where we'll see another push to the upside, you understand. This is where we'll see another push to the upside because this is strong support level, you understand. This is strong support level. We'll see a push to the next resistance level before we see another push to the next support level, you understand. This is weekly time frame analysis. But regardless, if you know what you are doing, you can be getting your buy and selling on the lower time frame. Like person like me, I can spot a buy from a support level and make profit. 1 to 2 is okay for me. On the 15-minute time frame, 1 to 2 is okay for me. How many pip? If I'm risking 10 pip, I'll be targeting 20 pip. If I'm risking 5 pip, I'll be targeting 10 pip. If I'm risking 4 pip, I'll be targeting 8 pip. That is just all. And the market can give that very, very fast and easy. You understand, when it's retracing. And I know how to manage my trade very, very well. If I see that the market is about to come down, I know. If I see that the market will still continue its movement to the upside, I know. Except if I want to leave the market, you understand, to hit my SL or to hit my break even or to hit my take profit, you understand. If I see that the market break below this particular support level, I'll wait patiently. Next week, before I take a trade, before I take a trade next week, I'll get a strong confirmation and I'll be coming on a on I'll be coming on maybe during London section to tell you guys what the market will be doing, like share my own view with you guys. But your own is also really really matters. You understand? Your own view is also really really matters. So I'm not going to talk much on this particular analysis. So let me go and encourage some people. You understand? Let me go and encourage a beginner forex traders. You understand? So here, if you are a beginner, let me see that. Okay. So if you are a beginner forex trader, all my advice for you is take it slow and steady. You understand? With slow and steady, you are going to make it to the top. But if you are pursuing the profit, there is no way you are going to make it to the top. You are going to quit at the middle of the road and call forex a scam. You understand? But with the right mindset and keep grinding regardless, have a side hustle that will be paying you, that will be giving you feeding money, and you keep going regardless, it will be better for you. You understand? So beginner traders, struggling traders, keep grinding. You understand? Keep grinding regardless, keep grinding. All these are top traders that you are seeing. I always say this, they have been in the game for the past 9 to 10 years now. You understand? They have been in the game for the past 9 to 10 years. Not that they are not seeing some things that will make them quit o, but they refuse to quit. They refuse to quit regardless. They refuse to quit, and that is why they still dey relevant up till today. So if you want to be like them, if you are looking up to any one of them, you have to keep grinding. You understand? And as you see them all, they have a side hustle. You understand? So please try have a side hustle so that you'll be like feeding yourself from that particular side hustle. Then you'll be like sponsor your trading journey slow and steady until you step to the profitable stage. You understand? Then any particular channel that keep encouraging you, you stick to that. And that is why my channel is here. My channel is here to keep encouraging struggling forex trader to keep going regardless of what they are facing. You understand? Regardless of what you are facing, keep going, because all these forex traders that you are seeing today, happy forex that you know, as of last 5 years, happy is trading with just 3 AUD, three Australian dollar on his real account. I have showed that particular thing on my video. You understand? I have showed that particular thing on my video. As of last 5 years, happy forex is trading with three Australian dollar on his real account, on his real personal account. So now in the like another 5 years now, Habi is making 1.5 million in a day, and is chilling with top traders, top influencers like Don Jazzy, Davido, which other person, which other influencer, which other musician, Don Jazzy, Davido, Zlatan, no any top Nigerian musicians that Habi cannot chill with. You understand? Somebody who is trading with just $3 account as of last 5 years, as he refused to give up, as he continue grinding, he is now at the top chilling with other influencers. So tell me why you quit along the road. um Your story might even be very very better and greater than Happy Forex when he start his own forex trading. Happy spend a whole 5 years in the game and still be trading with $3 account, because he know what he's pursuing, he know what he's chasing. You understand? As of that last 5 years, Happy has spent 5 years in the game before that last 5 years. Because if you make research now, Habi use his mouth to say he's 9 to 10 years in the game now. So check his YouTube channel. Last 5 years, Habi is trading with $3 account. You understand? Now he's making as high as $1.5 million from the chart. So tell me why you will give up. Tell me why you will give up. There is no room for give up. For me, person like me, I don't give up. And even I'll give up, could have give up for a very long time now, you understand, but me like this, I don't give up. And my consistency and my discipline have make top prop firm and top broker have recognized me because of my consistency. So I want you guys to be consistent, to that stage where a broker and a prop firm will recognize you. You understand? Will recognize you, you will win an award and everything. Okay, as of June, when I get this award, how many subscribers do I have? It's not because of my influence on the internet, no. It's because of my discipline and my consistency that make them recognize me. You understand? As of December, when OptaFX recognize me, how many subscribers did I have during this? As of December? Like as of November sef, that is when they message me. As of November, how many subscribers do I have? I don't even have up to 50 subscribers. November last year, I don't have up to 50 subscribers. You understand? When they message me. You understand? So you keep grinding, keep going until you make it to the spotlight. You understand? Until you make it to spotlight. Now like this, I can boldly say yes. If you check OptaFX, if you check their real account on Instagram, you see my picture as their top fan. You understand? You see my picture. It's like I'll go and do enlargement and post that picture here so that every other trader will be seeing it. Maybe I'll post it here. I'll go and enlarge that particular this thing, recognition, and and place it here so that every other traders will be seeing that and be encouraged to keep pushing. You understand? OptaFX post me, Benv, Egu Bernard post me on their real Instagram account, and it's there till today. You understand? All this thing I'm telling you, I have an evidence of it. Go to Funded Next Africa Instagram account. You see my picture there. Am I an influencer? If you go to my Instagram account, I have just 300 followers on my Instagram. Just 300 followers. Okay. As of when I even make it to their this thing. Is of recent that I even reach that 300 followers. Before I did 200, 150, 200 and the rest follower. I'm nothing but my consistency keep me going. You understand? I'm not an influencer, I'm not a celebrity, but my consistency keep me going up to this stage. You understand? So I want that particular energy from you. I want that particular energy from you guys that is watching me. Maybe anything. I'll soon end this particular live stream because I'm very, very tired. I'm fucking tired, man. I'm fucking tired. And if there is light, I'm going to do a live stream from morning till night tomorrow. If there is light, if there is light, I'm going to do a live stream from morning till night tomorrow. Either if there is anybody or nobody, I'll dey on the live from morning till night. If my laptop won't let it break down, I don't care. I want to I've spent 5 hours on live stream. I'll spend more than 5 hours on live stream. I want to spend at least, let me just say 12, or I want to spend 12 or maybe more than 12 hours on live stream. You understand? And maybe I'll do that tomorrow. You understand? Tomorrow is Sunday now. Tomorrow is Sunday now. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. You get? I'll do that tomorrow. If there is light and I have the energy, let me sleep and wake up, because my energy no dey ever go down o. I always dey very, very agile. Once I don take water like this, I don regain my energy. And bad as e bad, if I sleep wake up, my energy will reverse. You understand? If my energy leave me, you understand, and I sleep wake up, If I sleep 1 hour, wake up, my energy will be back stronger 100%. You understand? That's why I can be able to come on live stream for you guys every time. You guys might be wondering, this guy no dey tire, this guy no dey tire. If I don't sleep, if I sleep 1 hour, my energy dey come back. Oh, you understand? So you have to get that type of spirit also. Be very, very active, aggressively active. You understand? Aggressively active. Me, I'm always aggressively active. I swear. Maybe I'm going to do 12-hour live stream straight tomorrow from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. You understand? If I cannot start from 8 a.m., maybe 9 to 9, or maybe 9, or maybe 10 to 10. You understand? 12 straight, 12 hours straight. I'll start it from morning till night. You understand? I'll start it from morning till night tomorrow. If you just come, flash go, I don't mind. You understand? Just all you need to do is to just check if Benv is live. You understand? I just pray make I get that energy tomorrow. So please, 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 as we are six now, as we are six now on the live, let me encourage you. If you are struggling in trading, if you are struggling in trading, please keep pushing. Keep pushing until a broker or a prop firm recognize you. You must be recognized. I'm not a celebrity, I'm not an influencer, but I was recognized. Since I can be recognized, you too, you can be recognized. You understand? Please keep going regardless. I've never want to pay any mentor, anybody, you understand, to mentor me. I've never want to pay anybody 1 naira to mentor me, 1 kobo to mentor me. But within, let me just say, within 3 years in my trading journey, I was recognized because of my consistency. Because before, like within 3 years, I was recognized by two solid this thing company. You understand? So you have to keep your fire burning regardless. How keep your fire burning regardless. So you people should like the stream for me. Like it, please like the stream for me. Who will promise me 100 like? Who will promise me 100 like? Make I start the count. Just keep tapping, keep tapping. Let me be counting it. 100 like. 100 like. I need 100 like. I don't tire. Make that one ginger me. Make that one ginger me. 100 like. 100 like. Keep tapping on the like. Let me be counting it from here. Mm. Keep tapping on the like. Let that one be gingering me. Nobody start here too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. All right, 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 all right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my lovely people. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love this. I love this. I love this. I love this. You know, say, do you know something that I noticed? When you ask for help, people will disappear. You understand? It's still pumping. When you ask for help, when you ask for people to like your video, come on like who, come on to like, people will disappear. You understand? Do you notice that? Who noticed that? Who noticed that? Do you notice that? Do you notice that? If I ask for people to like, they will disappear. If we are six, it will reduce to two. You understand? If I ask for people to like, they will disappear. I don't know if anybody notice this thing. If I ask for people to like, people will disappear. Are they for you? Please analyze good for me tomorrow. I will be aggressively active. No wahala. I'm telling you, no worry. I'll do that tomorrow. I'll do that tomorrow. I'm going to do that definitely. Definitely, I'll do that. Definitely. Definitely, I'll do that. I'll do that. I'll do that. I got your back, man. I got you 2-4. 247, I got you. 2-4, I got you. 2-4. People are funny. Oh. Once you ask for help, oh, not even to even give you money, oh, they go disappear. Bam. If there are six, if there are six, they will go remain two. I know say that two na that two. You understand? I know say that two na that two. Na you they always dey active. Na you they always dey for me. You understand? When I ask for help, every other people will disappear. If I say like the video, they go disappear. They go first of all go first so that if I stop to dey ask them for like, they go come back. But no wahala, no wahala. We keep going regardless, man. We keep going. We keep going. We keep going regardless. We don't trade the same concept, but I understand your strategy. That's very great. That's very great. That's very great. That's very great. Don't change your strategy. Oh. Don't change your strategy. Don't change your strategy regardless. Mm. Once you can see a result from your strategy, that's all you need. You understand? What you can see a result from your strategy, that's all you need. No need of changing your strategy. You understand? Had it been I switch strategy from strategy to strategy, I for never reach this level that I did today. You understand? But as I did not switch strategy, I keep going, keep going, keep going. I re-strategize it myself, re-strategize everything. That's the reason why I'm at this level today. You understand? So I love you guys. I love you guys. I love you guys. Regardless, even if you guys disappear when I need your help, I still love you guys. And I'm going to be giving this thing free of charge till this year end. If care is not taken, even on Xmas day, I will do live stream. Or maybe by then I go dey my village, but I go do live stream. If care is not taken, even on Xmas day, I go do live stream from my phone. If care is not taken, even on Xmas day, I go do live stream from my phone. Una no joke with me, oh. I no dey give up, oh. Maybe on my trip to village sef, I go do the I go dey do live stream. You understand? On my trip to village, I go dey do live stream sef. You understand? To my village, I go dey do live stream. Una no joke with me, oh. I no dey give up, oh. I no dey give up on anything. I'm a record breaker, so you understand? I'm a record breaker. Lele. Hey, una dey joke with me first. I'm a record breaker. If I tell you my story, you will be surprised. Oh. But I'm not here to telling you guys my story. I'm here to tell you guys my trading journey. You understand? I'm here to tell you guys my story, my forest journey. Yeah, you get right? Sure you get. I'm here to tell you guys my forest journey. You understand? Not my life history. You get. We keep pushing regardless, man. We keep pushing regardless. We keep pushing. We keep pushing, man. Hey, man. Hey, man. Hey. Thank you for the like. Who is this person liking? Who's this person liking? I need a fire emoji on the comment section. Just keep dropping fire emoji, fire emoji. Drop it like, who can do that? If it's only that to self, who will do that? It's only that that can do that. So I'll not stress you much. The like is okay. It's only that can do, maybe drop comment, steady, till maybe 10 comments straight on a row. You understand? But I'm not going to stress you that long. I'm not going to stress you that long. I'm not going to stress you that long. Oh. I'm not going to stress you that long. If not, I foresee a fire emoji straight 10. You understand? 10 straight. But I'm not going to stress you that much. I'm not going to stress you that much. It's only you. If I ask for help, they will just disappear. But no wahala. No wahala. We gather dey. No wahala. We gather dey. But the help sef, what's the meaning of that help sef? What's that help sef? What's that help? May you guys tell me, what's the help that I even ask for? What's the help sef? Can anyone tell me the help that I asked for? Can anyone tell me the help that I asked for? What's that help? See dis girl wan use wisdom catch me again. Oya na. Dis girl wan use wisdom catch me. You wan use wisdom catch me. You wan use wisdom catch me. What do you wish to achieve with dis forex trading? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Omo, na freedom o. Freedom, you understand? Let me have See, let me tell you, the reason why I'm pursuing forex trading is because I have a physical business. You understand? I have a physical business, but the physical business is stressing me. I know they too have chance for my family. um I know they too have chance for myself. I know they too have chance, like, but with forex trading, once you master forex trading like this and you become very very successful in forex trading, you can sleep to any particular time you want. You can sleep to any particular time you want. You can travel to anywhere you want. You can be in anywhere. See, now like this, I suppose travel. I suppose, like, maybe run round, travel round, check cities and the rest. But the physical business that I have will not allow me to do that type of traveling. You understand, up and down. But if I achieve what I want from trading, I can be travel to anywhere I want with private jet and the rest. You understand? Live a comfortable life, then empower empower a lot of youth. You understand? Empower a lot of youth, create job. You understand? Then whoever wants to, like, go into trading, I will dedicate my time to teach that person how to become profitable in trading. You understand? All I want to do is not I'm not chasing all these their flashy lifestyle. So I will make sure I create, even see, the kind opportunity that I will create is not the kind of empowerment that I will create is not empowerment to expect anything back. Oh. You understand? But to empower youth so that they will, like, step out of poverty. You understand? If a lot of things, I cannot explain everything that is running through my mind. I cannot explain everything that is running through my mind that makes me pursuing this particular forex trading. No, I cannot explain everything. You understand? I just pray to God, let me reach the level that I want first. You understand? Let me even reach some certain level. You understand? Okay, the level that I reach now, the level that I've reached so far. My topic is struggling traders life with BenvFX. For you to know that I have peoples in mind, you understand? For you to know that I have people in mind. Almost all my trading this thing, almost all my life title is struggling traders. Come tell me what you are facing, then we'll discuss it one on one. You understand? Tell me what you are facing, then we'll discuss it one on one. That is all. Like, I want to be imparting in the life of people. I want to be doing something in the life of, or in the life of people, that they will never forget that. Yes, they'll never, so that they will never forget in their life, the kind of impact that they will never forget. That is what I want to be doing. Impact in the life of people in which a way that they will never forget the person that give them that particular knowledge, or give them that particular help, or shift them from that particular situation, or shift them from that particular level. You understand? That is the kind of things I want to be doing. Now, like this, as I have stepped out of struggles in trading, that is the reason why my topic all the time is struggling trader life with BenvFX. You understand? Because me, I know no matter, I'll become a profitable trader. No matter how it is, I'll become a profitable trader, because I see it from last year down to this year, and this year is about to end, and I can still see results. So there's nothing that can push me back again. No, the knowledge is here, and it will be here forever. You understand? The technical analysis is here, and it will be here forever. It's here, and it will be here forever. You understand? I can wake up, maybe I can wake up from sleep like this, look at the chart. If it's the time for me to enter, I will enter, and before I enter, I will know how much I will risk. So the knowledge is here already. It's less for me now to impart it in the life of other struggling forex traders. You understand? That is why I'm here. The level that you are, if it is over trading that is disturbing you, you can tell me. If it is like how to manage your trade that is disturbing you, you can tell me. If it is like how to like risk management, anything at all, your psychology, your anything at all you are struggling with, you can tell me. That is why the topic is always a struggling trader life with BenvFX. That is it, and that's how it's going to be till this year end. Maybe from next year I can decide to change it. You understand? From next year I can decide to change it, but I never take decision on that yet. Na me now go like think about what I'm going to do next year. The kind of impact I would like, the kind of impact I would like I will the kind of impact I'll add on people's life next year. That one I never think about am yet. You understand? But this particular one, this present one, I'm just stepping out of struggling in trading. You understand? So I want to impart that particular one that I've passed through to traders who are passing through a lot in trading, because I know I know the hell I passed through in trading. You understand? That is the reason why I'm here to like share it with you guys, show you what like, see, this analysis that I always do for you guys sef doesn't even really make any sense. You understand? If it is analysis, you can do analysis by yourself. If it is strategy, you have your own strategy. If it is anything, you have it already. But the right mindset now, you understand? Having one-on-one conversation with you, all you need, if you need anything from me, is whatever you are facing, whatever that is making you have constant loss, just drop it on the comment section, then we'll discuss it. Or if you want to come on the live, if you want to come and join me here, you let me know, I'll send you an invite. You come and join me, you share what is wrong with you, the level you are, then we'll discuss it one-on-one together. But doing analysis with yourself will not even really make any sense. Mm. Doing analysis, showing you analysis will not even really make any sense, because when it's come to top down analysis, you know that you know how to do a top down analysis, you know a support and a resistance level. You know when a trend, you know when the market is trending to the downside, you know when the market is trending to the upside. You know how to use your Fibonacci retracement. You know how to use your this thing indicators to take your trade and the rest. So only thing you know now, only thing you need to know now is the struggles you are facing, the reason why you are not profitable. You understand? The reason why you are not profitable is what you need to tell me, so that I will just let you know on what to do, one or two things on what to do. You understand? So I'm here for you. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. That's it. So any other questions? Any other questions? Any other questions? If I get to that level that I want, I'll take a lot of people from streets, from the street, a lot of people to help the men e choke. You go see some students dey go school like this, some little little students. I don't mind go to one school. If I become profitable, I don't mind go to one school and give almost a whole class a scholarship, take it upon myself to pay their school fee till they graduate from either primary school or secondary school. You understand? I don't mind. I don't mind. If I get to the level that I want, if I'm stepping into the level that I want, I don't mind go to, because the kind of student that I see that pass through my, in front of my shop here, go to school every day and night. I don't mind. Okay, I hear you. Powerful. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. I don't mind though. You understand? I don't mind giving a lot of people scholarship. You understand? A lot of people scholarship. I don't mind buying full my motor, full my boot with sandals and everything, school bag and the rest, full my motor with it and be like giving it out to less privileged people. You understand? To give them hope. You understand? I don't, let me just reach the stage and may God just give us life. You guys are going to see it. And it's not everything that will, just that it's not everything that will share to the social media. That's just it. It's not everything, but I will impart in the life of people a lot. I will impart. You see that, you see impact. Instead of buying exotic, no be say I'm not going to buy exotic cars o, but you see impact that say person dey get impact in people's life, people that will never, the kind of impact that people will never ever forget in their life. That's what I'm going to be doing. You understand? Imagine go to one school and give a whole class, let me just say primary one, you go to primary one, take all their name, take all their parent contact, tell the school, okay, you see this class, I'm going to be paying their school fees till they graduate. Do you think those children will ever forget the person that do that? Never. They will never ever forget the person that do that. They will never ever. You understand? You understand? A lot of students that I see on my street here, I don't mind follow like one of them, or like one of them to their school, give like 10, like pick 10 or 20, 50 people out, give them scholarship. I'll be the one responsible for their school fees. Anything concerning their school fee, I'll be the one responsible for it, for till they finish from that particular school. You understand? If you do that thing in the life of any child, that child will never ever forget you. You understand? And not that you are going to like expect anything in return. No, you are not going to expect anything in return, but just to have impact in that particular person's life. You understand? just to have impact in that particular person's life. You understand? Just to have impact on that particular person's life. So tell me, if there's any other thing you want me to talk about, if there's any other thing you want me to talk about, just let me know real quick. Let me know real quick. All these comments now, G that to from all. Okay, G that to start from here. G that to start from here. Call is here. Then G that to throughout. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? G that to throughout. Can you imagine? As if other people know dey. But I know a lot of people don't want to show their self, but it's still good. It's still good. But if you are getting value, that's just it. All I know is giving value. Let me be giving at least value to people. You understand? Let me be giving value to people. Mm. That tomorrow be tomorrow na marathon o. No forget to check me o. Check me tomorrow if there is light. If there is no light, I will just post on my WhatsApp status that there is no light. Tomorrow na marathon. If you want to have my WhatsApp number, let me even drop it for you. I'm not going to ask you for money o. If I ask you for money on my WhatsApp, run. You understand? If I ask you for money on my WhatsApp, run for your life. But for you to be getting some updates, you understand? For you to be getting some updates, 070 83 11 9905. If I ask you for, as I'm dropping this number, if I ask you for money for my WhatsApp, run for your life. You understand? I'm not going to ask you for money o. Abeg. And if I even ask you for money, come to my live stream and cast me. You understand? Say Benv, you that say you are not going to ask for money, why you dey request for money from me? You understand? Why you dey request for money from me? You understand? So I'm not going to ask you for money, but for you to be getting some updates on my WhatsApp status. You understand? That is the reason for this particular this thing number, WhatsApp number. It's only on WhatsApp o. If you call, you no go come o. I don receive call through that number. It's only on WhatsApp, only WhatsApp number. You understand? Only WhatsApp. So you can just come ask any question. If it's the one we can solve on WhatsApp, we can solve it on we can solve it there. If it's the one we can come to this thing, we can come anywhere, anyone, so that you'll be like getting updates. You understand? So let's see. This is my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. Ah, ah, there's something I want to do. There's something I want to do. I'm coming. Just a minute, just a minute. Drop your question if you want. If there's anything, just drop it for me. I'm coming. Just a minute. Yeah. You okay? My people are still here. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. You guys are amazing. Regardless, you guys are amazing. You understand? You guys are amazing. Let me see. Taste of mystery. Taste of mystery. Good afternoon. What's your risk to reward ratio and how many trade do you take per day? Uh-uh. Which country are you? Which country are you watching from, bro? Which country are you watching from? Which country are you watching from? Bro, which country are you watching from? Which country are you watching from? Let me see, let me see, let me see real quick. Which country? Which country? Which country? I want to know first before I. Na Canada, na Canada. Na from yesterday. Okay, okay, okay. No, no wonder. You are saying good afternoon. Why we don dey 9:43 p.m. here. For Nigeria here, this is night oh. You understand? This is night for Nigeria. I know say na Canada dis time na daytime for there. For Canada dis time na daytime for there. Because Justin Bieber na Canadian guy, and I love Justin Bieber well well. When Justin Bieber dey do live stream, um when Justin Bieber dey do live stream in the night, when we dey watch Justin Bieber, their own time there, there will be like sun, you understand? So in the night when we dey watch in live stream, there is sun there, you understand? So I no blame you. Okay, 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 okay. But you from Nigeria abi? You from Nigeria abi? You from Nigeria? From Nigeria abi? I don't want to like this your question, I'm going to answer you. The way you dey speak, be like say na Nigeria guy you be. Are you a Nigeria guy or from other African country? You no even need to tell me sef, na Nigeria guy you be. So my risk to reward, correct, Naija guy from Alagbado. Lagos, no be lie. That's my brother there, man. That's my brother. That's my brother. That's my brother. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. And I talk am now. This your pidgin sef. This your pidgin. Even as Gida to dey learn our pidgin, she cannot speak this particular one. So this your pidgin na very thick one. This your pidgin na very thick one. You understand? Na only us fit dey speak this one. You understand? E get one girl wey get sense well well for here wey dey like copy our language, but we go catch am one day sha. So my risk to reward, back to business, 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 back to business. My risk to reward is 1 to 2 because of how my strategy is. You understand? Because of my strategy, my risk to reward is 1 to 2. I risk one to get two. If I'm risking $20, I'm targeting $40. If I'm risking $100, I'm targeting $200. If I'm risking $200, I'm targeting $400. That's what I always use. Then if I see that if e reach 1 to 2, the way I manage my trade now I'm telling you, if the trade reach 1 to 2, then and I see that yes, there is no any consideration that the market is coming to the downside, I will take partial profit and put the remaining one on break even. That one is when I'm not on a drawdown. That one na when I know say yes, I will end the week in profit. Because anything that will make me not to end the week in profit, I will never allow that. You understand? I'll never allow that. So my risk to reward is 1 to 2. When it reach 1 to 2, I will take partial profit, then leave like quarter put the remaining one on break even. That's always what I do. And I take two trade per day. You understand? You ask two questions. I take two trade per day. If I take during London section, I take trade during London section and New York section. If I take trade during London section and it did not go my way, if it stop me out, I'll look for my entry again during New York section, or maybe before New York section. If I see my strategy and I take a trade, then either win or profit, then that will be all for that day. And sometimes I'll just take, and sometimes if I get better profit in my first trade, then that's all. I'll just leave the trade. You understand? If I take my first trade and I win that particular trade with enough money, enough profit, I'll just leave the trade that day. Jeje, I'll just leave the trade that day. But if I take and it stop me out, I'll be waiting for my strategy to play out. You understand? I'll be waiting for my strategy to play out again, then I'll enter again. And this, if that particular one stop me out, then that's all. So I don't take trade more than two times a day, no matter what it is. I don't take trade more than two times a day. So that's how I take my trade. So thank you so much, my brother. If you understand, let me see a reaction from you. If you understand, let me see a reaction from you. If you understand the explanation, let me see a reaction from you real quick. Omo, I just pray so that Canada will favor you. I pray Canada will favor you. You'll be very, you'll become a very profitable trader. So that whenever I visit Canada, because I would love to visit Canada one day, because my favorite artist is from Canada. You understand? He's a Canadian. That is Justin Bieber, regardless. I love that guy. You understand? I love that guy. I love Justin Bieber. Justin Bieber make my childhood friend, like childhood this thing time sweet. I love Justin Bieber music like mad. You understand? I love Justin Bieber music. Oh my God. That's my favorite. I would like to visit Canada one day, one day, one day, one day. See, Jida to don show. Now you think say I no know? Fire, I get you. All right, that's very great, my bro. That's very great, my bro. That's very great. That's very great. No, which kind talk be that one? See, Jesus, shey you see Jidato? Shey you see Jidato now? Shey you see that gear wey I dey tell you? That SA gear, that SA gear, that South Africa gear. See wetin she talk now, my brother. Just see wetin she talk. She say, no, which kind talk be that? Be that one? I be strong pidgin girl for South Africa. Za. I know, no worry, we go catch you. That pidgin, you go tell me who dey teach you that pidgin. You understand? You go tell me who dey teach you that pidgin, because the way your voice sound, the way your voice sound, make I no cast am sha, make I no cast am, make I just hold am to myself, make I just hold am to myself, make I just hold am to myself, man. Na only me go hold that one. Forget that one, forget that one. Oh, Naija music dey reign now. Oh, forget Bieber. Naija music na all over the world now, bro. Naija music na all over the world. Na we dey top. You understand? Na we dey top all over the world. But you see Justin Bieber, I love Justin Bieber. That one na just pure love for Justin Bieber. Mhm. I love Bieber. I love Bieber. I love Justin Bieber. I swear. I swear. I pray I'll even meet him one day. Oh. You understand? I pray I'll meet Justin Bieber one day. One on one like this. I pray I'll meet Justin Bieber one on one like this one day. You understand? Because he's somebody that I love so much in the music industry. Then when it comes to Nigeria, Davido, you understand? I love Davido because of his. Hey, make I not bring that one here, oh, because FC might be here. Whiskey FC might be here. So make I not bring that one here. I beg all of us. I love every Nigerian musicians, both the upcomers, the new cats and the old cats. I love all of them. You understand? I love all Nigerian music, all Nigerian musicians. I love them all. I love them all. Before FC will come cut my neck comot. I love them all. I love them all. I love all Nigerians musicians. You understand? Because they are the one making us proud now. They are the one making us proud. They are the one making us proud all over the world. All over the world, Nigerian musicians, they are very, very Nigerians are talented. I swear to God, man, bro. Nigeria is talented. Nigeria are very, very talented people. Mm. Nigerians are very, very talented people. So please ask any question, ask any other question so that I will forget about music. Ask any question. My brother, I will visit Canada one day. Oh, omo bro, this your forest go carry you. Make I see, make I see, make I see, make I see. Omo bro, this your forest go carry you. E go carry me, e go carry me go far, I swear. Dat one dey, e go carry me go far. And I go visit Canada. Dat Canada is one of my favourite country. Like I would love to see, I would love to visit where my favourite musician come from. You understand? My favourite musician. I would love to see where my favourite musician come from. I'll visit Canada one day. That one is sure. That one is sure. That one is sure. That one is sure. Bro, man, I'll visit Canada one day. I love, oh God. See, see African country I'll visit. First of all, Jidato, I go visit your country. I will visit Jidato country. First of all, I been I been think say na dis thing. Yes, South Africa. Yes, 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 yes. Na South Africa be my first target for Africa. You understand? So Jidato, be prepared o. The time I will come to South Africa, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God. E no go funny o. Man, I will shut down South Africa, man. I go first of all go South Africa, from South Africa to Accra, Ghana, from Accra, Ghana to which other South African country again? If I will think of going to other places. But you see SA, oh my God, I love SA. So Jidato, which part of SA do you want me to visit? Which part of SA do you want me to visit first? Which part of SA do you want me to visit first? Real quick, which part of SA do you want me to visit first? Tell me tell me one state in SA you want me to visit first. Oh yeah now, 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 oh yeah now. Oh yeah now, oh yeah now, oh yeah now, oh yeah now. I would like to ask Tales of Mystery again. I would like to ask Tales of Mystery again. I would like to ask Tales of Mystery again. What the? I mean, Johan. Ooh, I cannot pronounce this name. Oh. Johan. Jo. Jo. Johannesburg. I'm in Johannesburg now. That's where you will start. All right, all right, all right, all right. I'm coming there. No worry. Very, very soon. Very, very, very soon. That's how I've gotten my passport already. I've gotten my Nigeria passport already. Next thing I to just dey prepare. You understand? Next thing I to just dey prepare. Next year go dey very tough. Oh. Next year go dey very tough oh, because go hard or go home. Oh. Next year go be go hard or go home. Oh, oh yeah now. But I cannot go home again. I cannot go home again because already I know what I'm doing. You understand? There's no way I can go home again. Next year will be go hard, go harder, go harder. I'll go very, very hard on next year, man. Next year. Let me see. But I see the way you're managing risk, especially in drawdown. I can tell that took you a long time to develop. Very, it took me a long time to develop, oh my brother. It took me a long time to develop because first of all, I've never attended any mentorship class before for my life. That is number one. Number two, both physical and online mentorship, I have never buy any courses for my life. Everything I know is through experience, you understand? So I learn everything the hard way. It took me time, but not too much like that too. Last year, 2024, that is when I discover my strategy, you understand? Den dat I discover dat strategy, and immediately I discover dat strategy, I deposit just $20 inside my account last year. So dat $20 I deposit, I stick to only Euro USD that is less volatile, you understand? That don't sweep liquidity, and at least before trade go against you, it will like give you like 10 pip and the rest, and 10 pip on Euro USD is very, very far from your entry and the rest. So I stick to Euro USD. So I stick to Euro USD from since 2024 till the end of 2024. So I earn 2024 in profit as I deposit $20 in 2024. So after I earn 2024 in profit, I come say okay, let me start a journey of taking a $30 to $300. You understand? I start that journey of taking a $30 to $300. I come take it to one certain amount of money, then I decide to buy a prop account. That's when I buy a funded next account. Then as I buy that funded next account, since I buy that funded next account, as I'm stepping into this particular 2025, I say this year I'm not going to blow any account. This year 2025, I'm not going to blow any account. And since this year, we are now in November, right? Since this year, I've never blow any account. I swear to God. Say me, I blow account, I've never blow any account since this year 2025. Why? Because of risk management. I make sure I discipline myself very, very well, not to over risk, not to over trade, not to do anyhow on the chart. You understand? That is the level of my discipline. You understand? And the level of my patience. I wait patiently because I don't want to like take unnecessary trade. I learn how to be patient by fire by force, to wait for my strategy to play out, because anytime I do anything outside my strategy, the market will give me SL. So I wait for my strategy to play out before I take a trade. So I develop all those things slow and steady till I reach this particular stage. You understand? That is why I come on live video. I always come on live video here to encourage upcoming forex traders and struggling forex traders. It's not by pursuing profits. You understand? Me, I stop pursuing profits 2024. You understand? 2024 is when I stop pursuing profits, and I start this game 2021, November 2021. So ending of November this year, ending of this November, I'll be 4 years in this game. You understand? In this game of forex trading. I know about forex trading late 2021. You understand? Ending of November 2021. That is when I heard about forex trading. And that is when I start forex trading. So because of loss upon loss, I decide and I take that particular bold step, you understand, to deposit just $20, because the loss is too much. So I have to like minimize it. If not, I'll go to the village. And by then I travel from village. As of 2021, I moved from my village to where I am now in town. So I don't want to go, I don't want to lose all my money, then I'll go back to village again. So I give myself the sense, then I deposit just $20 and be testing my strategy slow and steady, until I develop my working strategy, and I develop discipline, I develop patience, I develop trade management, and I develop everything. You understand? So that's how I develop everything, my brother. Thank you so much for this question. And I think, and I hope a lot of people are going to learn from my story. You understand? That's why I come here, struggling traders life with Benv FX. Benv FX no be small name o. You understand? Search on Benv FX, Benv FX on this thing on Google. They must bring me. You will see me. Search on Benv FX, a 15-minute price action trader. Search on it. You understand? You must see me. So Benv FX no be small name anymore. You understand? 15-minute price action trader. Search on me. Both on this thing, both on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, this thing, Snapchat, YouTube. Benv FX no be small name anymore. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for this question. Thank you. Search for Benv FX. Other people, other Benv wey don dey on top, wey don dey before me, wey don get population before me, they go bring that, they go bring them. But if you search, you must see my name. You understand? You must see my name and you see what I do. You understand? On Google. So search for Benv FX, you see. Developing, let me see. Oh, but I see the way you're managing risk, especially in drawdown. I can tell that took you a long time to develop. Very, very long, but not that long. Developing an RR strategy is one of the hardest things to do. Like, not too hard like that. One of the hardest things to do. Yeah, layer, I'm coming, that Girato, yes. That's the only way to survive in this market. Case of mystery. What That's what brought me to his channel more than anything. His risk management, I swear. Oh. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. See that one, I learned it the hard way now. You understand? Risk management, I learn it the hard way. Den risk to reward, how you go learn your risk to reward is how your strategy work. Make sure you make the chart your friends. No matter how busy you are, just make sure you make the chart your friends. If you make the chart your friend, your strategy, backtest your strategy. Always see where your strategy dey, if you see your strategy play out, always see where it will reach before it will reverse against you. You understand? If it is 1 to 1, it dey always reach before it will reverse against you. Stick to 1 to 1. If it is 1 to 2, it dey always reach before it will reverse against you. Stick to 1 to 2. If it is 1 to 3, it dey always reach before it reverse against you. Stick to 1 to 3. You understand? That is how you are going to be like learning it slow and steady, slow and steady, slow and steady, slow and steady until you master it. There is no any other way, you understand, than to make the chart your friend. Make the chart your friend. You understand? Make the chart your friend. Then thank you. Thank God you people are getting value. Thank God. Make the chart your friend until you can be able to spot a strategy. And when you spot that particular strategy, know how it work. That is when the chart will become your main friend. Like, make I tell you guys the truth, sometimes I no dey sleep in the night o. Sometimes like this I no dey sleep in the night. Now like this I dey sleep in the night. Na when I want to even analyze charts, I dey wake up, dey do some little analysis, and I no dey trade anyhow. I no dey trade in the night, I no dey trade in the evening. I dey very disciplined. You understand? I trade only from 8 o'clock. You understand? From during London section to New York section. Then during New York section, I'll trade till maybe 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Then that's all for that day. That's all for that day, except a trade that I want to hold till the next day. You understand? Before you see me hold a trade. If not, once I no dey trade in the night, before I dey trade in the night every blessed time. Even this time like this, 10 o'clock like this, I dey take trade, but not now anymore. I go just give myself rest of mind, peace of mind, you understand? Wait till day break. Sometimes I go even sleep till 7:30, you understand? Sleep till 7:30. If not because of my shop that I wake up very early, I no dey wake up very early because of chat o. No, 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 because if I come on my chat before 5 minutes, I will know what to do. I'll go to one daily time frame, see how yesterday candlestick close, come to 4 hour time frame, mark a support and resistance level out, go to 15-minute time frame, mark a support and resistance level out. If the market is on this 15-minute time frame and a candle is forming, I'll just off my chart. Then maybe the next 15 minutes I'll come back to see how that particular candlestick close. If e close and e engulf, I'll enter my trade. You understand? If e close and e engulf the previous candlestick, I'll enter my trade from that particular support level. Then I'll put take profit and stop loss 1 to 2. You understand? Then I'll just chill. I'll just chill. If I chill, maybe the next 15 minutes candlestick, I go dey do other things dey go. The next 15 minutes candlestick, I will come the next 15 minute time, I will come check how the 15 minute the next 15 minutes candlestick close. If e close healthy and e close bullish, I will just chill again. I will just hold. You understand? Then I go dey do another thing dey go, do another thing dey go. If I see say another 15 minutes candlestick, another 15 minutes don do, I go go to my chart and check if the market have reached 1 to 2, or maybe by then e go don hit my take profit. You understand? Or if e never hit my take profit and I see how the market is behave, you understand? I rather choose to like break even so that I will not lose. You understand? Then till e hit 1 to 2. If the market is approaching that 1 to 2 and I see the momentum of the market that it's still going far, I'll take partial profit from that 1 to 2, then put the remaining one on break even. Then I'll be waiting till the market give me a bearish engulfing candle from the upside. Then I'll know that yes, the market is about to retrace to the downside. Then I'll just opt out all my position. That's how I do my trade. You understand? That's how I do my trade. So let me see. Taste of mystery. That's what brought me to his channel more than anything. His risk management, I swear. Thank you, Dato. Thank you, Dato. Thank you, Dato. Dato, thank you. Okay. Yes, so that's the only way to survive in the market. I swear to God, that's the only way. Risk management is the only way. And once you are perfect in that particular risk management, you are good to go. You understand? Make I tell you guys one story. You understand? Make I tell you guys one story. You know say if you start dey learn how to ride bike, person go dey sit down for your back, dey hold your hand, dey learn that bike small 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 small. That is when you start forex trading. You understand? You go dey fall, dey get small small wound. You understand? That is the type of loss you dey get. You understand? Maybe you go fall badly, you go even go to hospital go treat. That is when you blow your account in the forex market, when you start trading. Okay, time will come, nobody will sit down at your back again. You go dey ride by yourself small 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 small. You understand? Then at least maybe you go fall, you go get small wound. You understand? Just slow and steady until you become very very perfect in riding bike. You understand? You know bike now. Until you become very perfect in riding bike. If you become very perfect in riding bike, you can fire bike like this, fire bike, poo, do u-turn. You understand? You can catch break and do U-turn. I dey do dat thing well well with my bike. You can catch break and do U-turn immediately. But that particular thing that you are doing when you master your how to when you master how to ride bike, you cannot do that when you start riding when you start learning about when you start learning bike. It's same thing with trading. When you start forex trading, you will not be like over risk. You just start it slow and steady, slow and steady, slow and steady. Then till you come dey master your strategy. If you get strategy, you start dey master it small small, dey test am with small amount of money, test am with small amount of money till you master that particular strategy. If you master that your strategy, I swear to God if you master how your strategy work, oh my God, you can use 100 standard lot size. You can use 100 standard lot size. The trade will go in your favor, like let me just say 10-20 pip. You don't make money because you know how far the trade will reach. You understand? You know how your strategy work. By then you have mastered your strategy. You can play with the strategy. That is the kind of play I'm going to play with my trading account next year. You understand? Because already I've mastered my strategy. I know how my strategy works now. You understand? So that is the kind of risk I'm going to take with I'm going to play with my trading account next year very, very well. And I'll not come and do that on a live stream because I will not allow the upcoming traders to like take see that as if I start that thing overnight. No. That is what our forex mentors fail to tell us. You understand? As they are making this huge profit and they are sharing it, they're supposed to be encouraging forex traders, other upcoming traders, that this is not how I start to, this is the amount I've been trading with, to this is it, to this is that, to this is this, so this is that, to but they will not tell you. They want you to be worshiping them like God. You understand? But me now, as I'm going to like play with my strategy next year, I'm not going to do that on a live stream. I'm not even going to record that. If I record it, then it's just to come and show you guys. But if I'm recording it, I'll make sure I'll caution you guys that this thing I'm doing, I've like spent a lot of time studying it for the longest. That is why I can boldly use this type of risk, take this type of risk and the rest. Do you guys get? So please get a working strategy. Make sure you manage your risk to the level that you master that particular strategy very, very well. Then from there now you can scale up. From there you can scale up. Make sure you master your strategy very well. Then from there you can scale up. I have less than 15 minutes to go. I have less than 15 minutes to, is it 15 or 12 minutes to go? I have less than 12 minutes to go. 12 minutes to go. So any question, any question, any question, any question. All right. Taste of mystery. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Taste of mystery. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see. Now, so we all start. The time I start, bro, I, I go dey I go dey chat every day for 16 hours. That's how it is. So you understand? But with time, I dey come, let me see. Na over trading dey kill account. Over trading kills account. If you can be disciplined to stay away from over trading, omo, you go get rest of mind, you get peace of mind. You understand? And you even come master wetin you dey do, you come know wetin you dey do. Over risking na very, very dangerous thing. So abeg, stay away from over trading. I mean, stay away from over trading. Let me see another question. Bro, yes now. They no go tell you the starting balance. They will only tell you the made $300,000 in one day. Omo, that thing finish me when I was new. And that is the bad side. That see that thing, that thing make me hate them, but I cannot hate them. That is what the crowd, the multitude of people want. People don't want to like make research by themselves. That day, make I tell you a taste of mystery. That day where Ahabi Forex make $1.5 million in a single day from XAUSD. I say how? I know that it's real. Oh. I know that it's real. Habi is been in the game close to maybe 10 to 11 years, 9, 10, 11 years now. You understand? He can make that amount because he know what he's doing on the chart. But do you know the research that I make? After I see that particular post on Twitter, I went to his YouTube channel straight. You understand? As I went to his YouTube channel, I went to his oldest video. You understand? If you don't know how to make research by yourself, you go suffer. Oh. You go suffer in this game. Try to make research of how all these top traders start so that you not give yourself high BP. So I went to Under Happy Forest YouTube channel and I go to his oldest. I know personally, I know before that they don already wipe all their old videos where they know where they never start dey do well. They don wipe am, but there are some that are still there. So I went there, I go to the oldest this thing. I go to his oldest video. Under one of his video when he's teaching how to use MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, I watch that video. As I'm watching that video, I want to see the type of account he's trading with that time. I watch that video till he reach one level when he's trying to share trade, when he want to like switch from his real account to demo account. I come spot his real account. You know say real account is dey very very different from demo account. I would post that real account. I go post that this thing on my status tomorrow, on my WhatsApp status tomorrow. I'll post it tomorrow on my WhatsApp status. You know how much I see on Happy Forest account as of last 5 years. That time he has already spent almost 5 to 6 years in the game. Do you know how much I found? I found 3.23 AUD in his real account. 3.2 Australian dollar. That is the real account Happy Forest is trading with as of last 5 years. But if they post this huge amount of money they are making today, they will not tell you how much they start with. They will not tell you how many sleepless nights they don't go through. They will not tell you how many times they don't blow account. They will not tell you how many times they keep grinding and they refuse to give up. You understand? Please go and make this research. Kai, scam for this market too. Scammers plenty. They went and wiped all this thing. This game is not for the weak. It's not for the weak, my brother. It's not for the weak. I always say that. It's not for the weak. It's not for the weak. They'll never tell you the truth. They'll never tell you when they start. They'll never tell you the account size they are using as of last 5 years. That time sef, therefore even break it down for us. Okay, when I started forex trading, I've been using demo account, this and that, this and that. As of last 5 years, me that is making $1.5 million now. As of last 5 years, I'm trading with $3 accounts. Therefore, at least give the upcoming traders, the upcoming traders, at least encourage them to keep grinding. They will not do that. They will put pressure on the upcoming traders so that they will go and register under them, thinking within 1 month, 1 year, they can be making such amount of money. And they work like that. You understand? They work like that. They want make people, they see them like God, as if they make this overnight, but they didn't make it overnight. Okay, I still make that same research on under Jeffrey Benson. As of last 7 years, Jeffrey Benson make $200 from his real account. If you see the way he happy under that particular, inside that particular video. That video said that they live at this type of video that they do well, you understand, that they say if people see this one, at least they go see, they respect me, this and that. That is the type of video that they live, you understand. Kojo Forest sef, if you go under Kojo Forest Instagram account sef, he wipe all his past post, you understand. All these people, when they start documenting their journey, that's supposed to be encouraging upcomers, they went back and delete everything so that people will be seeing them like God, as if they do this thing overnight. And it's not overnight that they do it, you understand. So if you don't know how to make research, just as proper say, this game is not for the weak. Oh, it's not for the weak, it's for the strong-minded people, you understand. It's for the strong-minded people. Whoever you are looking up to, go to his past video, his oldest video, and watch how he's doing, you understand. Go to his past video and watch how he's doing. Do you get me right? Abeg, make research by yourself. Oh, make research by yourself. Oh, I have less than 4 minutes now to go. That what are you saying? But let me see this. But we must keep trying, no going back. Let's just do what is right, not what gurus do. Exactly. It's proper. Exactly. Me, I'm always here encouraging struggling traders. You understand? I'm always here encouraging struggling traders. You are doing everything right. All you need is the right mindset. Then please don't waste all your money now. You understand? Time is still coming that you need that money to scale up. You understand? Risk small amount of money now like this. Time is still coming that you need that money to scale up. You get? So Jidato, oh, thank you so much. Tomorrow will be marathon. Tomorrow will be from morning till night if there is NEPA. From morning till night if there is NEPA, from morning till night. So please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do well and subscribe. I have less than 3 minutes to spend now. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video for me. Please help me like the video, subscribe to the channel, make the channel grow. And you can as well share the video to any struggling trader that you know. Please let them come to the channel. Let's motivating ourselves. Let's telling ourselves the truth, because the truth is bitter, but that's the only thing that is going to save us. Please, the struggle is real. We need to like keep motivating each other. Please subscribe to the channel. Please share the video to your WhatsApp status. There are a lot of people who are going to like benefit from this particular video and from the channel as well. I document all my journey, you understand, to make sure say me that you people are seeing as if I've know everything all in the market. I have lost and profit, you understand. So please share the video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that if I go live tomorrow morning, you will be the first to be notified. Man, I love you guys all from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys. I have less than 1 minute to spend now. So if you have any question, please, tomorrow is a marathon from morning till night. I just pray may my laptop no break down. If not, but there is standing fan that will be giving it farm. Like I will be farming this thing. If not, if he overhot like that, he go to see his network. Then I'll make sure I subscribe well, you understand. So please subscribe to the channel, turn on your bell notification, share the live video to anybody, any of your friend, any of your brother that you know that is struggling in the forex market, so that we all join together and be giving ourselves courage to keep pushing regardless. Because for me, this is the only game that is going to change everything for us. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now. Bye for now. Bye for now. Bye for now. I love you guys all. I love you. Please come tomorrow, 8 p.m. I'll be here. 8 p.m. I'll be here. 8 p.m. Okay. 8 a.m. I'll be here tomorrow. 8 a.m. Don't miss out. 8 a.m. I'll be here. Tomorrow will be marathon from morning till night. I'm going to be streaming from morning till night. So subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you check me tomorrow. Check me tomorrow. I just pray so that they will give us light. NEPA will give us light. So bye for now. I love you all. Please keep grinding regardless and make research, please.